We got going on today is the PTO shaft is too short. These planters are old enough now that they were made to be pulled by a front wheel assist, and we could slide the drawbar in, but we really don't want to do that because we're already going to be playing with fire with the tracks getting into the thing here, so we don't really want to get it closer to the tractor. So I got to get a longer PTO shaft. We're about 4 inches too short. So that is, we got to get that ordered, and then we are still working on this is what the last guy that owned it did. Put duct tape on it. Those rubber seals are all sun cracked. You can really see it on that one. I think I showed it before. There's another one there. That one's missing. So we've been working on that. This is what the new ones look like. And yes, I haven't cut the zip ties yet. I'm going to try and retighten them one more time here, probably Monday. Oh, excuse me. Monday, tighten them one more time after they've sat a little bit, so I can get them a little tighter. Here's one that's kind of loose, but it's kind of a bad spot right where they need to be. Has to come around this piece here, so that definitely needs to get tightened. You can see there's a little gap here that I'd like to pull out a little more. And then go up in here. The reason we're working on it like this is because we can't get it to unfold. Ugh. We had an update put in the tractor so we can unfold it. Well, it isn't working. We don't know if it's the monitor wiring or the planter, but we did unfold it with a 305. Here's a better look at the new rubber seals we got. All new zip ties. Of course, we got to cut them to get them off. And I got this section done over to there. So now I got to zip tie these down. That section is done. And I really wish we had washed this before we brought it in here. It was 26 degrees this morning. So no washing this morning. You know, we're working in the dirt. We'll have to wash it up when we get done. Coming along one project at a time on this thing. March 11th. Bin crew is working hard. I'm gonna take that pipe down now. Well, they're still working on that tube. They're having trouble getting it over the guide wires. They're having to reset once or twice. Bringing the pipe down. Trying to maneuver around all the guide wires. Not been a fun time for them. So you're getting it though. A little late evening update on the bin. They got the downspout down. They got the air system pipe unhooked on the other side. and they are ready to set up the jacks first thing in the morning. There's the pipe, the auger, and then the conveyors way down there that they put out of our way. So they moved right along today. They got some jacks set up in here. Well, they got the jacks set up all the way around. Look at that. Yeah, won't take them long to get rolling on this. Right, Max? What do you think? I don't know how hard this cement's going to come out of here. You see there's a crack there, that'll help. So you know how we haven't been able to get this planter to unfold, and it's throwing a low voltage code on the thing. Well, I noticed today, after doing some checking, this top one right there is pushed in quite a ways, and I'm guessing that's not making very good contact on the ISO plug. So I'm hoping that I can get that pushed out, and that fixes our problem. Fixed it. It was that pin in the ISO connector. That's awesome.
I don't know why I took that other strap off.
Yeah, I don't either.
Moving the water tanks today.
decided to go against the PTO shaft, and since we have a dual pump, we can just run these hoses to the tractor pressure side and run a return into that big return there. And then we'll just eliminate all this. Take the tank off, and take the cooler off. We're going to leave this bracket on because this is where the hoses come over and down. Probably take that pump off. Yeah, that way the hoses can run up there, and we'll have to still leave our air compressor on here. Got the hydraulic tank, the cooler, and the pump off. And we got oil all over the floor. Clean that up tomorrow. But this is what it's gonna look like once we get it cleaned up. Took the pump off of there. We've got some bad hoses in here, as you can see. So we are going to take these off, roll them over the top here. And I got a neighbor that's gonna come with his crimping machine. And we're gonna cut them off somewhere in here and replace up to the tractor, so they don't blow out right in the middle of the bean planting. So this planter 1240 has really set us back, and we spent a lot of time on this thing. I thought it was pretty much ready to go, but we ended up rebuilding basically the whole planter. We got our 2 new bearings in on the press wheels today, so they're done. We've got 1 row unit here that I don't know why. Let's see, where's it at? It's right in here somewhere. Yeah, this row. For some reason, these arms are shorter than what they're supposed to be. They're supposed to be 24-inch arms here, and they're only, or they 8 inches too short. This row here is supposed to be out to there. But I see on there, there's new stickers on there, so the last guy must have broke this row unit or something. Replaced it, but he replaced it with the wrong size. So we got to do that yet. Get the hoses made, and that should be ready to go then. Tractor's already serviced. Kobe cleaned out the cab, washed it, changed all the hydraulic filters, fuel filters. Yeah, everything. Hub oil. Yeah, so we've been busy doing that. And here is a bin update. It's Friday. They're down to 3 rings left, and this bin will be gone. They got 4 rings down today, so maybe the next time they come back, this bin will be gone and we can start tearing the cement out. So that's the latest on the bin update. I had better get a video out. It's been a while, so I'm going to end this one here. And oh, I was going to show you the new spot we put our tanks. We moved them from over there on the other side of the shop because we couldn't get semis in there. So now we moved them over here. We can come right in here, pull right up, fill up, either go around there or back up and go out here. So we got them reset. I see Max has brought his toy up here. Must have forgot it. But yeah, that's where we're gonna be filling water in 32. It'll make it a lot easier for the semi to get in here. There's your toy, Max. You gonna grab it? You gonna grab it, Max? Huh? You gonna grab it? Grab it? Come on.